Hey guys, Hunter here. September 2nd. What time is it, DJ? What time we got?
6:01 in the AM.
Eating a
got done hunting in the morning with the boys, me, Hunter, and Sammy, and Abby Dog.
We got Abby Dog at the good old Wawa. We did some hunting yesterday in the evening. Killed about 12 of them. It wasn't great action. I got some footage, but it wasn't the great, so I'll probably throw that in at the end of this one. See what happens. With the moon in the background. Hey. Already flying. Getting the rig set up. I changed some batteries out. DJ out there putting out 2 more. Got dove landing in the field already. Should be a good morning. Ew. Holy shit, dude.
Hey, dog.
DJ, look behind you.
Stuff to the right coming in.
Out here like smack 'em outdoors, will it blind?
There's 4 coming.
Next
Kill
to
that one, DJ.
Oh, you suck. Good shot, Sam.
Wait.
Here, out front, out front, out front, out front. Out front, out front. 3's coming back.
Right.
Wait. Oh my god, look at him out front. Get back. Babby. Back.
Huh.
Wait. Wait.
To the left.
Yep.
Try ground pound.
Yeah. Through the tractor. No.
That's a weird.
I'm gonna let it settle down.
I'm gonna go for it.
Oh. Wait.
Abby's here. Come.
DJ said to the left and it was directly to his right.
Up front. Up front.
I
can't shoot where the fuck right now. I know. Bad.
Watch this one out front. Coming right at us. Coming right at us.
6 of them to the right coming in. Oh.
Here, they're swimming in.
That one on the left side is dead. No, dude.
Did we kill all 3? Yeah.
And now it is. Back. Weak.
Here, there's one. Should I shoot that one still walking around?
Where?
In the middle of the spread. Yeah, what the
They're like invincible, dude. It's good enough now. Here on the right. On the right. Wait. No. Don't start doing that. No, wait. Two on the left. It's okay. Wait.
To the left, coming in.
Oh my god.
Wait. Single out front to the right.
See him, DJ?
Can I kill him?
Yeah.
You go ahead. Fetch.
Dude, look at them all back there in that corner.
What is going on with me today?
Here, Ab. Abby, here. Come. Come. Come.
Well,
Abby,
guys,
come.
it's starting out pretty
Yeah.
good.
Sit. Only got two on the ground, though.
To the left.
Did you say 2?
Yeah.
You have like 5 or 6.
5 or 6. I still have the one of the.
Dude, I don't know what's going on with me.
That one out there hasn't gotten up yet, has it?
I don't think so. To
Is
the
it-
right, coming down the pipes.
Oh my. Come on, keep coming.
I can shoot this whole place.
You're on the left, on the left.
To the right. Single. Nope. To the right, single.
Is he coming?
Yeah. To the
Here,
To the left.
He's dumping. Dumping. Watch, out front, out front. No, they're not those. Oh shit.
Dude, 5 of them just landed like 30 yards to the right of the decoy.
Yeah. They're playing tricks on me. Oh, on the right, coming from the trees.
To the right.
Okay.
I was just taking a poke at those ones.
Back. Sit. There's one way that moved, yo. Crippled.
I think that's the one you just shot.
No.
To the right.
Yeah.
2 of them to the right.
No, Is there any birds in the immediate area?
Oh yeah, a bunch to the right. They're coming.
No.
Close.
Oh shit. And we didn't get any.
Yep, they're down. Nope.
Here, cutting back in. Wait, they're pretty far.
Go shoot them?
No, they're pretty far.
I killed 2 with 1 stone right now, baby.
If you think so.
You got one.
Wait. Abby, I'm
Here,
sorry.
2 coming down the pipe. 2 coming down the pipe.
Wait, Abby. This is awesome. It's okay, I'm sorry. I can't let you out there right now.
Got the tractor blind.
Really blind. It's kind of nice because we're in the shadow.
Yeah.
Ready?
Catch. A bunch just got off to the right.
You gotta run into one, dog. You have to. Good girl. Come. Come. Good girl. Abby, come. No. No, come.
Give.
DJ on the left.
Come on,
I
boys.
shot 6 feet behind that bird. No doubt.
I'm gonna try him.
You better go get him. Or shoot that one on the right.
Where's he at?
Straight out in front of you.
Yeah, there's a feet out in the mud. Where's he at?
He's to the right of your cripple.
Right hard.
That first one's down.
Three to the right, coming in.
Wait.
Not coming in. Yeah, they are.
Back. Back.
Right over top. I hit that one.
No, Abby. Watch that fucking. No. Abby Ave.
Four to the left. Coming in.
Damn, we suck, dude.
Turn around. To the right, to the left of you, Sam.
Good shot.
No, Abby.
Watch them, DJ. They're still up.
It's a fucking dove wing.
I thought you were farting. Feathers are flying, baby.
Coming back to the right. Hard, close as shit.
I hit that one. Watch him.
No, Abby.
I got the one.
You want me to go get him?
We killed 2.
Well, you knocked 3 down now.
We got all 3. I gotta go get that one.
Yeah, that one's way out there in the middle.
You want me to go get it? Or you want to take her?
No, go ahead.
Yeah, dude, I finally killed one out of here today.
Was that him that just got up?
That was him. I didn't think he was hit very hard. He just took a couple feathers.
I think it was his tail feathers. They know I can shoot now. They don't want it.
Watch, they're circling back.
Stupid idiot. They went to the right eating the fucking birdie.
There you go, dude. Are we good? Can I send her?
Yeah.
Actually, 3 on the left. Wait. Fetch. Good girl, come. Come.
I think she knows who shot it, Gib. Thank you. She tried to give me one earlier.
Come
the
here,
one that I shot on the ground.
Abby, come. Try him.
Make that one, dude.
I feel like I hear it hitting them, but they're not.
Dude, I feel like we should move these mojos because they're wanting to land on the outside.
Good shot.
Wait. No.
Well, that's a box of shells done.
Dude, I feel like we should move these mojos closer because they're wanting to land on the outside of them. You know what I mean?
Move one to the right, maybe. I don't know. No, Ab. Single on your right.
Yeah.
Oh god. Where'd they come from?
Should I move one to the right?
You can.
Not right at this moment.
Watch that at the back and the left. Here, out the left, out the left.
I'm getting the hang of it now, Sam.
Maybe.
Oh.
We'll see on the next group.
There's one coming right through it.
Yeah. Parker.
Should we spread the mojos out?
Maybe try something. I don't know.
I'm thinking we should move them closer because they're landing right on the outside of them. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but that's probably just because they don't want to be so close to the tractor. We can try anything. I don't care. We should do a pickup real quick, though.
Shortly after Sam said that, we all got up to pick those birds up, and his dog Abby was tied to the bucket. And you guys will see what happened next.
They're
Single on my left.
So you start to drive it out there.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
And none are gonna come in.
We need a drink, we'll be right back.
They're circling back. I got a duck feather in my mouth. There's still more?
I need a drink.
Oh shit.
Whatever, dude. Just don't include me in nothing.
You didn't.
Here, 3 on the road.
You didn't hear him?
Yeah, I need a drink of water. I need a drink.
I see him.
Yeah, there's closer ones. Go to the right.
There we go, baby. I just doubled.
Good shooting, Sam.
Yeah.
Shoot it.
I didn't want to shoot that mojo, baby. Let me try Adam, Sam.
No.
Girl.
Try him, I guess.
Good shot. You're on fire, boy.
2 more coming.
On your right, DJ. On your right.
Give me a second to shoot.
How's that make you feel?
Alright, get off my farm.
Here, there's someone.
Abby, wait. Kill him, DJ.
Good shit, Sam.
Oh, that one on the left.
She's got it.
Did I double?
Yes.
Whatever, dude.
Here, Ab. Good girl. Here, Abby.
It's because my hood's up.
Yeah. Okay.
Good. Give. How did I miss him the first shot right there on the ground? I killed him though.
Abby, sit down. I didn't want to shoot him that fucking close.
If I would have shot him that did you get yours, DJ?
Yeah, I missed him right here at the mojo and then I shot him out there.
That one, I hit that one. That one.
You guys feel we need one more,
Wait,
baby.
Ab.
Dude, I smoked that. I think all of us hit that first one.
I didn't shoot it the first one. I shot at the second
yeah,
one.
did you shoot the first one?
Yeah.
I think we both fucking smoked that.
Well,
One more. Who wants to kill the last one?
Look, if a bird comes in, you shoot 1 time.
Alright.
If you miss, let the other dude shoot it.
Can I try and shoot
Single
the
out.
last one?
Out
Sure.
front, out front.
Alright, bet.
You go first, DJ.
Hey, bustin'.
I think it should be me. I haven't shot as much as you
Alright,
guys.
go, Hunter.
Yeah, you go ahead.
There we go. Hell yeah, that's it, boys.
It's a 4-man limit, cousin. By
Three-way.
ooh,
4-man limit?
3-man. Sorry. I meant to say.
Get us a draw ball.
By what time?
8:15.
8:12.
I was closest because I was the only
Now
one
let's
that
go
did.
get some breakfast. Well, guys, I'd say that was a pretty dang good hunt. What was it? 8 o'clock when we shot our last bird?
8:12, I think.
Something like that.
Hour and 25 minutes.
Something like that. 3-man limit. That's 45 birds. What'd you say we gave them, Sam?
The turbo.
The turbo. Hope you guys enjoy. Do it again. Oh, look at these 2 pigeons, dude. They would have ate it.
Oh, great heaven.
Well, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to. Oh my god.
Coming back.
Oh, they're circling the dove are coming back too.
Dude, look at him.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.